What if I told you that the phone in your pocket can recognize your face, understand your voice, recommend what you should watch tonight, and even predict what you are about to type next? Is that magic, or is it something much bigger? Now think about this for a second. What if the same technology could write code, drive cars, detect diseases early, and even create art? That technology is called artificial intelligence, or AI, and today I'm going to explain it in the simplest way possible. Let's start with a real problem. Every single day, humans deal with massive amounts of information: emails, messages, photos, medical records, financial data, business reports. Imagine a company receiving 50,000 resumes for one job position. Can a human carefully read all of them without missing something important? Probably not. Or think about a hospital trying to analyze thousands of reports to detect early signs of cancer. It's slow, it's stressful, and humans can make mistakes. We need something that can process huge amounts of data quickly, accurately, and without getting tired. That's where AI comes in. AI is not just a trending word anymore. It is changing industries, changing jobs, and shaping the future. Banks use AI to detect fraud. Social media platforms use AI to personalize your feed. Self-driving cars use AI to make split-second decisions. Now here's the important part. The people who understand AI today are the ones who will build the systems of tomorrow. So this is not just a tech topic, it's a future skill. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what AI actually is, how it works in simple terms, where it is used in real life, and how you can start learning it yourself. No complicated definitions. No heavy technical language. Just clear understanding. So what is AI? Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Tasks like recognizing faces, understanding language, making decisions, and learning from experience. Let me explain it with a simple analogy. Think about teaching a child. When a child sees a cat for the first time, they don't know it's a cat. But after seeing many pictures, 10, 20, maybe 100, their brain starts recognizing patterns: pointy ears, whiskers, tail. After some time, they can instantly say, "That's a cat." AI works in a similar way. Instead of a brain, it uses algorithms. Instead of eyes, it uses data. Instead of memory, it uses trained models. But the core idea is pattern recognition. Now let's look at a real-world example. When you watch movies on a streaming platform and you mostly choose action movies, the system starts noticing that. When you skip romantic movies, it notices that too. Over time, it learns your preferences and predicts what you might like next. Most of the time, it's surprisingly accurate. That prediction is powered by AI. And if the same idea can recommend movies, imagine what it can do in medical diagnosis, fraud detection, stock analysis, or resume screening. When I first started learning AI, I honestly thought it was something extremely complex and robotic, like in science fiction movies. But recently, I built a small sentiment analysis model. I gave it simple sentences like, "I love this product," and "This is the worst experience ever," and it correctly classified them as positive or negative. That was the moment I realized something important. AI is not magic. It is structured learning from data. So how does it actually work? First, AI needs data, lots of data. For example, thousands of labeled sentences that are marked as positive or negative. Then we train a machine learning model using that data. The model analyzes patterns and adjusts its internal parameters to reduce mistakes. In simple terms, it keeps trying, failing, adjusting, and improving. After training, we test it with a new sentence it has never seen before, like, "This service is amazing." The model processes it and predicts whether it is positive or negative. And just like that, it gives an answer. But here's the interesting part. The machine doesn't feel emotions. It doesn't truly understand happiness or anger. It just recognizes patterns it learned during training. Now pause for a moment and think. Do you believe AI truly understands humans, or is it just advanced pattern matching? Comment your opinion and think about this. If AI can learn from thousands of examples, what happens when we train it on millions or even billions of examples? That's when it becomes extremely powerful. So what do we get after building and training an AI model? We get automation. We get faster decisions. We get predictions that help businesses reduce costs, increase efficiency, and improve accuracy. In daily life, we get smarter assistants, better recommendations, and more personalized experiences. For developers, it means we can build systems that solve real-world problems. And this is only the beginning. Basic AI leads to machine learning. Machine learning leads to deep learning. Deep learning powers advanced systems like image recognition, speech recognition, and generative AI tools that can create text, images, and even code. Modern AI models use neural networks with millions or sometimes billions of parameters. They connect to applications through APIs, integrate into software systems, and automate complex workflows. And here's the exciting part. You don't need to be a genius to start learning AI. You just need curiosity and consistency. Start small. Build simple projects. Experiment. Break things. Learn from them. If you truly want to understand AI, not just hear about it, then start building. And if you want step-by-step guidance to create real AI projects in simple language, make sure you follow this channel, because in the next video, we'll build a basic AI model together from scratch. This is just the beginning. The future will belong to people who build intelligent systems. And now you understand what AI really is, not magic, but powerful pattern recognition at scale. Let's start building something meaningful.